MCRB stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Therapeutics, it is 7% down. Overall, one heck of a consolidation freaking ticker. I mean, I've done well over 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in the space, with the most proof documented for 5 years, more reps than anyone else, to be very honest. Like, show me another person that's documented all their reps that they have done. I bet you won't, because there's not like no one else on this level. But generally speaking, with MCRB, only if I see the price breaking with like a full-on throttle and full-on breaks above 86 cents, am I actually going to begin looking to take potentially something up. But other than that, everything is going to rather be noise. So that's exactly what I'm sitting at. Maybe if it does reach, you know, some supply zones, yeah, maybe then fair enough, you know, I'll look to take things down. But other than that, it's a whole different game. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. If you also want to stay tuned about MCRB. See you in the next one.